homeopathy works on an energetic level, and it doesn't connect with any receptor sites in the cells. So that's why it doesn't interfere with medicines or herbs. Whereas herbs actually connects onto the cells different receptors, and then have like medicine, have an effect, stimulate an effect in the cell. And that's why you can have interactions with herbs and medicines.
And not with homeopathic medicine.
So that's the beauty with homeopathy. It's very safe. It's very easy to use.
Gentle.
It's gentle. It can work really quickly and very effectively, and it hasn't got side effects. But when you need oomph, I find, even though you can have a really quick, effective reaction, but sometimes you need herbs or medicines.
What about combining a herbal and a homeopathic in your treatment protocol?
I wouldn't use the same. I wouldn't use valerian.
Homeopathically and herbally.
And herbally.
But you may use a homeopathic remedy for an emotional state and a herbal preparation for a physical condition.
Exactly, and they actually work beautifully together. I used the example last time of a builder, the map, the memos, the information leaflets, and I see herbs as the finishing touches, the paint and the plaster and the tiles and those extra things that you can use to build this house. But it's again more gentle than medicine.
So if you were to have a patient present with chronic stress and the symptom is anxiety, would you use a same homeopathic preparation as if the person presented with anger as a symptom of a stress response?
No, those are different things. Right. So homeopathically, I'm not a homeopath. I'm a general practitioner who found that homeopathy works, and that's the only test. Does it work for me? If I see something new, I go and I see, does it work? I often use it on myself first before I would use it on patients. Often I use it in the family, and even if a rep comes and tells me that a homeopathic remedy works and I find it doesn't, then it's either used wrongly or it doesn't work. It's been around 200 years. If it didn't work, we would have kicked it out long ago. And I must say, I became convinced when I saw it work on babies and animals, because they say, oh, that's a placebo effect and you think you're going to get better. They don't know it works. How can you get that reaction?